Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my nails at home. No acrylic, no gel. It's super quick and easy. And yeah, let's get into it. Let me first start out by showing you guys my nails. So this is how they look right now. So I just took off the set that I had yesterday and I had them on for about a month. I put them on New Year's Day. None had fallen off. They were so grown out, it's just getting to the point where I needed to redo them. And you guys have been asking for a tutorial on how I do my own nails at home. So I figured this was the perfect opportunity. For starters, I've never gotten fake nails done at a salon. I have never gotten acrylics done, anything like that. I really don't like anyone like pushing on my cuticles or anything. I've gotten my nails painted at a salon before because my mom thought that would be like a fun like date idea with her. But yeah, I did not like that experience. I don't trust anybody with any kind of tools around me. I don't even like getting massages. I just don't trust people. It's such a weird thing. I don't know what's up with that, but anyway, it's a lot cheaper to do it yourself. So if you guys are like me, then let's do it. Plus with the pandemic and everything, this is such a great time to learn how to do the things that cost you a decent amount of money. Since I've never gotten acrylics done, I don't know exactly the cost. What is it, like $25 to $30 every time you go? And I think, would you get them done like once a month, or is it more frequent than that? I don't know, you guys tell me. But either way, this is the nail set that I get. I get this right on Amazon. These are the oval style nails. You can obviously get these in any size you want on Amazon. They have them in like the coffin style, stiletto style. I'm not good at naming nail styles. But yeah, these are just the ones that fit my style and I just like them the most. I feel like they look the most natural. This set right here is $12. It's like $11.97 or something like that for 500 nails. I like this one because there are 10 different nail sizes in here. I have really weird, I don't know if I just have really weird small nails, but most nails when you go and get like the little, what are they, like the pre-manicured sets that you're just supposed to be able to just glue on if you get them at like CVS or Rite Aid, any kind of drugstore, they're usually way too big for my nails. I can never fit in them. I normally have to like file them like crazy. When I started out, I was using those and then I came across this and this is all that I've been using. I actually got this set a year ago and it looks like I haven't even made a dent in these. Like I said, they last me about a month. So overall what? That's like, you only have to do it like 12 times a year, which isn't bad at all. So this is the nail set that we're gonna be using. I also have this glue here. This is my favorite glue that I've used. So it's called Super Nail Glue by, I think it's Cala or Cala. This comes in a 4-pack for $5. You can't even beat it. You can throw one in your purse, your wallet. I have a couple in here. I have them in jackets that I've been wearing throughout the winter. Yeah, I always have this on hand just in case one falls off, which really doesn't happen often, like I said, unless you wind up jamming it and then it'll like fly off. And then last but not least, you're gonna need like a nail file. This is a foot scrubber. This is way more intense than an actual nail file would be, but I find that this works the best. I don't know. It just gets in there and roughs up your nail a little bit better. You don't have to go super deep on this. My nails aren't ruined. If you guys can see them, they're a little yellow tinged just from wearing the fake nails at the top there, which just happens from wearing fake nails. Also, you will see a little bit of bruising, especially my thumb looks bruised. That's pretty much the only nail though that's bruised out of them. Some of them, like you'll see like the tips were a little bruised, but now they're grown out. The bruising is normal, guys. That just happens because unlike a salon, like when you're getting your nails done at a salon and you wind up like jamming your finger on something or like hitting your nail really hard, chances are that nail's gonna break off because that's the acrylic part that winds up chipping off. But with these, since you are gluing them to your actual nail, if you jam your finger or something, it is going to affect your nail underneath. It's, you know, like your nail underneath will feel that. And that's what happens with the bruising. But I'm really rough with things, so that's kind of why that happens. But like I said, these ones are good. It just happens every once in a while and you're like, ah, damn it. That's one thing to keep in mind if you're used to acrylic nails. These ones you're gonna feel on your regular nail underneath as well. From doing this so many times, I already figured out which nails fit each nail perfectly. So I normally go in with this set for my thumbnail. It's just like the perfect size for it. Also, guys, I have a, I set up a camera up here. That's why when you guys look down, you can see, oh, you can see my nails here and everything that I'm doing down here. There is a bit of a shadow because I have my backlight on. So yeah, that's what you'll see. Like here, you can see my head in the frame. But yeah, this is a little bit easier so that you guys can actually see what I'm doing as I'm doing it. But yeah, so I'm gonna lay out all the nails that I need. So I need 2 of these. And then this nail here is typically good for my middle finger. Then this one is good for my pointer finger. And then the same one that I use for my pointer finger, I also use it for this finger as well. I just find that it works best for that one. I don't know. When I go down a size, it just looks strange. And then I use the smallest one here for my pinky. But if you look at the nails, at the tops there, they do have a little bit of a, what's that called? Like a nodule or something? That you can either file on your own before you get started, or you can do it after. I do them after. I mean, it's probably easier to do it beforehand, but I always make things more complicated. Before you go to apply your nails, you can always use a cuticle trimmer to push up your cuticles and do all that. I'm kind of simple. I normally just take my nail, the fake nail, and just push my cuticle up with that. I don't wind up trimming my cuticles or anything. I just don't find that mine are like ever like that bad. And it also doesn't bother me that much. But I kind of always push my cuticles up naturally, like every day as I go for some reason. It's just kind of a habit of mine. So maybe that's why they're already like good to go. But yeah, definitely make sure that you do all of that before you start the process. Okay, so now that we have all the nails laid out, it's just good to lay them out beforehand, because once you put the glue on, you want to put your nail on right away. I'm trying to get used to this, like, this camera down looking at me. I keep going like this and then I'm out of frame, whatever. Okay, so you want to take that rough side like I was talking about and make sure that you rough up the nail a little bit. All right, so your nail will look like that. So you want to just do this to all of your nails so you don't have to keep doing it one by one. This way you don't have to glue and then do this, glue and then do that. Just do this as your first step for all your nails. The more roughed up, the better the nail will stick, because this way when you put the glue on, the nail will have something to stick to. When I was first starting out doing this, I didn't realize that you had to rough up your nail first, and any little motion that I did, if I was just going to pick something up, my nail would go flying off, because your nail is a smooth surface, so of course it would just pop right off. I believe that they do the same step when you actually go and get your nails done, don't they? They have one of those like electric roughers, I don't know what they're called, sanders? Oh, whenever I'm doing this, it always hurts my teeth. Let me know if you guys have a hard time with like filing sounds. Like it goes right through my teeth. All right, glue time. Now you're just gonna coat your whole nail with this glue. So I'll typically put like a dot of glue on and then just smudge it all around throughout my nail, or around my nail, I guess. I just wanna make sure that you press it on fully. If you have a hard time pressing, you guys probably aren't gonna see this, but I usually just take it and put my nail on the table and just kind of move it around. Like I'll use my desktop and then just go like this with it. This is a really messy palette. I don't know why I showed you guys that, but yeah, there is the nail on. Looks good. And then obviously we'll paint them in the end. But yeah, again, so I put some glue there, and then I just move it around again and stick on the nail. Alright guys, we have one hand done, one to go. And if you have some excess glue around your nail, always just use like a pointy Q-tip to just smear around it to make sure that there's no excess glue on my finger. I hope that I'm explaining how to do this correctly. I mean, it's a little self-explanatory, like I know, but like, I think it just always helps when you actually see somebody else doing it. So hopefully I'm showing you guys properly. I'm really trying hard. Guys, the nails are all on. Okay, now it's time to go in and file down the tips. So we have those little nodules, like I said. like this and just file them down. I go a little bit underneath the nail because the nodule is a little bit underneath there as well, because it's like in the nail. But it's super quick and easy. It comes off just like that, and then we're done. Like I said, it's probably way easier to just do this beforehand, but I've always just gotten into the habit of doing it when I already have them on. Alright guys, we are all filed down, the little nodules are gone. Now it's time to paint. Obviously you can paint your nails any color you want. I just typically go with, this is like a charcoal with sparkles, like a charcoal metallic. This is by Makeup Revolution. I just really like this shade. It's not black, it's just like a dark gray. I don't know, I feel like it's like a neutral, it goes with everything. In the summer, I typically go with like a nude, and that looks really nice with these nails. But yeah, so you're just gonna paint them like you would your regular nails. It's so hard to paint these in here while also showing it on camera, because I like to get up close to my face while I'm painting these. Right, one hand painted. I'm not the best nail painter, so I like to try to go as slow as possible. I think I'm just not great at painting them because I just don't have a whole lot of patience. But I'm trying. I'm pretty sure that you can also get these pre-painted, but I like having the option. Plus, painting them once a month is like, who cares, you know? You just deal with it. Now that we have that coat down, I typically like to go in with the gel coat over top of it. So this is the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. This is just a clear coat. I like to do it because I don't know if you guys can see, they just look a little flat. They're showing up shiny on camera because it's hitting the light, but they look a little flat. Alright guys, these are the nails all finished. They're a little bit messier than how I typically do them because like I said, I'm using this overhead camera and everything is mirrored in it. So I'm trying to like make sure that I'm going the right way, and then also it's far away when I'm doing it, and normally I'm up like this close when I'm painting a nail so that I can see around it. So yeah, they're a little bit messy, but it's just typically like with painting your nails regularly, at least for me, they look like a mess for like, I would say like a day, and then everything winds up peeling around the corners, and then you're good. It winds up just staying on the nail, and then they look professionally done. To me, these are salon style nails at home. I love doing my fake nails at home. I don't know, I don't like to spend money unnecessarily if it's something that I can do myself. It's just so much easier doing my nails for cheap. This way I have complete control over everything about the process, really. And like I said, like I keep saying throughout this whole entire video, it's so much cheaper. Altogether, the nails plus the glue, what I said the nails were, I guess, rounded up to $12. The glue is $4, we'll round that up to $5. That's $17 right there. I'm sure you can get one of these foot scraper things for like $3. So basically right there, you're at $20, and that's just a one-time price. This nail pack has lasted me for a year now. You guys saw it. I mean, it looks like I haven't even made a dent in it. I already have a spare just in case they ever go out of this nail style. These are cheap nails, but good quality. I haven't had any issues with these. They do last me about a month if I apply them properly, if I make sure that my whole nail is nice and sanded before I apply the glue. Just let me know if you wind up trying them. I'm so excited to see what you guys think. This is definitely one of those situations where you need to try it for yourself, but I always get compliments on these. Everyone always thinks that I get them done, but no bitch, I do it myself. This video has been a long time in the making. Every time I wind up switching my nails over, it's always really late at night and I'm not really in the mood to film a video about it. But this has been how I do my nails at home. No acrylic, no gel. I hope that you guys liked the video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Make sure to give this video a like. That really, really helps me out. And also just let me know in the comments down below what you think of these nails, and if you're going to be trying them out. I'll have everything listed in the description down below. Obviously the fake nails that I use, this is the BTArtbox false nails, and they are the oval style. I'll also have the 4-pack of glue that I use, and if I can find this foot scrubber guy for you guys, I will do that. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Getting sweaty.